guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to add categories. If you want to learn how to create a category, you can click on the link in my description box. I have already created a video on it. Today I'll teach you how to add category. I'll just bring my cursor to post and here I'll click on all posts. As you can see, here are some of my posts which are already added to categories. I'll click on it. I'll just click on edit. Now in the right sidebar here you will see an option of categories. From here you can add your posts to categories. I have added my this post to content writers, and if you want to change it just select another category, or if you want to add it to two categories you can also add it to two categories. Once you are done, just click on publish. This is how you can add a post to category. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.